blessing on my native isle, one curse upon her foes. While yet her skies above me smile, her breeze around me blows. Now nevermore my cheek be wet, nor sigh, nor altered mien, tell the dark tyrant I regret the wearing of the green.
Sweet land, my parents loved you while they sleep within your breast. With theirs for love no words can tell, my bones must never rest. And lonely must my true love stray, that was our village queen, when I am banished far away for the wearing of the green.
But Mary, dry that bitter tear, 'twould break my heart to see, and sweetly sleep my parents dear that cannot weep for me. I'll think not of my distant tomb, nor seas rolled wide between, but watch the hour that yet will come for the wearing of the green.
And I care not for the rose, for when the cold winds whistle, neither down nor crimson shows. But like hope to him that's friendless, where no gaudy flower is seen, by our graves with love that's endless waves our own true-hearted green.
Oh, sure God's world was wide enough and plentiful for all, and ruined cabins were no stuff to build a lordly hall. They might have let the poor man live, yet all has lordly been, but heaven its own good time will give for the wearing of the green.